All right, Cambry, we're at one of my favorite ponds today. This place is loaded with fish. It's got bass, crappie, bluegill. You ready to go catch some fish?
Yeah.
All right. We got a few rules to go over when you fish someone else's property, all right? I got 4 basic rules. All right, ready? Number 1, always ask permission, okay? Whether you call them, you show up, you ask them, it's good to ask permission. Number 2, it's good to ask whether you can keep fish or release fish. Number 3, don't leave any trash, okay? I mean, just pick up after yourself. And number 4, pretty easy, always say please and thank you. So, think you can do that?
Yeah.
All right, let's go do it. So there's a little path right here. We can just kind of walk down. And
I need you to check for snakes though.
oh yeah, here, I'll walk in front. I'll watch for snakes.
But if one comes behind though.
Yeah, I don't like snakes. Oh, look, you see all the fish swimming off already?
Oh, yes.
There's lots of them down there. Which one do you think is gonna catch fish? Which one's your favorite out of all these?
I'm gonna do
Here,
this one. I'm gonna do this white one.
The white one? Okay.
Yeah.
Look. Oh, look at that. You're out there. All right. Now you start reeling, remember?
Right
You
now?
click it, yep. And then you reel.
Oh, something tugging.
Uh-oh. You got a fish already? I haven't even got to cast yet.
I don't feel anything now. It's getting lighter. Nope. I think
Oh,
it's
he's still on there? Uh-oh. Look at that! Cambry, you're supposed to wait for me. There he goes.
Yes.
Look at that. First cast.
Wait, can I hold him real quick?
Yeah, I'll let you hold him. All right. Always have a good pair of pliers on you, too.
Oh gosh.
Oh,
Oh gosh.
you want me to hold him?
Yes.
I'll get his mouth.
I
I'll
don't
tell you,
want
I'll
it
get
to-
his mouth, you get his body. There we go. Yeah, he's off the hook. Big one. Another thing to remember, Cambry, is when you're casting, think of where fish might want to live. You know, fish look for cover, places that they can be safe. So that could be like maybe a stick in the water or a tree. I'll tell you what, Cambry, I'm gonna put you on a little different color here.
Okay.
So this one's got more yellow on it and orange because this water is kind of dirty. So you're gonna want something that the fish can see a lot better. So does that kind of make sense?
Yeah.
When the water is dirty like that, make sure you go something that's got crazy colors so the fish can see it better.
Okay. What gets wet the more it dries?
What gets wet the more it dries? A towel.
Yeah.
Yes!
Did you get one?
Uh-oh, I got one.
No!
Good one, Cambry. Woo! Look at that. It's 1-to-1.
No!
Yeah! Come on, check him out. Here, I want to show you something. You see this black, kind of dark line right there?
Yeah.
That's called the fish's lateral line. And so, pretty much they can use this line right here to feel vibrations in the water. So when fish swim around in the water like this, they'll actually create vibrations wherever they go. So this fish can pretty much sense where other fish are without actually seeing him.
You let it go!
Yeah, he's gone. All right, I got one for you, all right? Why are fish so smart?
I don't know.
Because they swim in schools.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What?
Oh! I'm sorry, Cambry. Say cheese. So just kind of set them down right there.
First fish in a long time.
First fish in a long time. First cast, too. That was cool. So, what do you think? We better go up, get some food, maybe say thanks to the owner, and we'll hit the road.
Okay.